Surprise for Taylor Swift's fans as Eras Tour film hit cinemas a day earlier. Singer says due to unprecedented demand, early shows open up on Thursday in USA, Canada. The fans of US singer Taylor Swift are in for a surprise as her Eras Tour concert film hit on cinemas a day earlier with a surprise appearance as well. Look what it genuinely made me to do. Due to unprecedented demand, we are opening an early access showing of the Eras Tour concert film on Thursday in America and Canada. As in tomorrow, Swift wrote on Instagram, we are also adding additional showtimes Friday throughout the weekend. All tickets will be available by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning and it will be showing Friday in 90 countries all over the world. She said, I can't thank you enough wanting to see the film that is so vividly captures my favorite adventure I've ever seen a part of. The Rashu and the best parts of the adventure were still on together. If you want to see more news about the celebrities, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.